Today we're gonna remove a banana pup that's too close to the fence with our neighbors, so we're just gonna move it to another location. The critical part. This race, huh?
Huge. We are moving this big fake ice cream banana. It was sold to us as an ice cream banana. We're moving into the food forest. And look at the root ball. It needs more space. Here is the fake ice cream banana pup. It was sold to us as an ice cream banana, but the first bananas did not turn out to be blue, so it's definitely not blue Java. Maybe in the Namwa family, but we're not gonna waste a banana pup, so it's getting a new home. We've got a spot right here next to the other two fake ice cream bananas. Used to be a palmetto right there that we dug up, and now it's just a lot of vegetation. We got great soil in food forest, lots of leaves and pine needles and organic matter decomposing, and we just add whatever we can to it. See, these ice cream bananas get fed whatever we cut off in the food forest. It's got a new home. We're just gonna put everything we just dug up back in. There we go. Step down around it. Three banana pups in the new home. We had to wait to dig this one up because the mother plant of all of them was leaning on it, and it had a banana cluster on that we had to wait until it was ready to pick. We just picked it today. And that's why we cut down the mother banana plant, and it was finally time to dig this one up. Normally we don't dig them up when they're this big, but it was just too close to the fence, too close to the neighbor. And as you could tell from the other banana where we dug it up, it gets really tall. The last step when you are digging up a banana pop and transplanting it somewhere else is to fill up the hole that you just dig it up from and put a lot of mulch and compost, some green vegetation around a new pop so that it can get a great start in its new home. I have just been dig up some mulch over here, the wood chip pile. They're very well composted at this point. And I got some sweet potato rinds that need to be pulled up because they were infringing on other plants. And I got a banana leaf and a bunch of chia and Mexican sunflower. Some of them I want to start new plants with, and all the leaves will go to the banana tree. Some banana leaves here. And let's find some mulch. We need to give it some water, and we have some rainwater ready for it. Now it is ready. Happy with friends. And once we get this little remaining palmetto and aronia berries, once we get them dug up, we are gonna turn this into a full banana circle. The other two are looking good. We also have a Rajapuri banana over here. Salad tree. Lots of palmettos that have yet to be dug up. One at a time. If you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Please give us a like and subscribe so we can bring you more videos from the food forest here at the Density Pups Family Farm.